Yeah, we have had a very good conference. We're happy with over 70 delegates that we welcomed here on 2 days. We have had some very good speakers yesterday and today. It's been a great event.
As a research institute, we have to know what will come in future to identify new trends, to see what are new materials, and of course to find partners for the projects and also maybe direct customers.
It's always a pleasure to see new technology, new machinery, people presenting.
Right from the beginning, know your panel. It is the number one consideration for cost avoidance.
We've done a bit of laboratory work and we've identified 2 areas which we're going to take forward to field trials.
The market is currently 80 billion in size and it is forecasted to grow by 5 to 7% per year.
We have a good conference. There's some interesting topics, some new stuff I never heard about, and I'm interested how these things will come into action later, into real products.
The main reason for being here is to meet lots of vendors, customers, OEMs, and have a good forum for a debate and discussion about what's new in the industry.
Came along really for the different papers to look at different areas of new technologies and try and keep on top of everything that's going on in the industry, and then also for the high quality visit to CERN this time.
Yesterday was by far the most outstanding tour that I've ever been on. You know, I've never ever seen anything of that scale which combines massive engineering and excellent science with 14,000 people. Welcome to day 2.
This is how we measure how the electronics industry is growing.
What do we have to think at each part of the design process?
You can shear off the components now.
They're molten salts with reasonable accessible temperatures, so you can actually do useful chemistry and processes in them.
Talking about flex material, what is offered on the marketplace?
Why do we want to change from the existing data form?
I'll open up the floor to any questions.
Have you made any tests in cutting of rigid laminates?
You can cut through almost anything with a laser.
What is the weakest link in this chain?
The suitable laminate selection in principle is key.
To what extent is this now actually in really production for active embedded devices?
At the moment, I have to say that honestly, we are not following standards because we are really fighting to get the technology running.
It's utopia to think that this doesn't happen, but you can minimize it.
This may be a solution for you for the future.
So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope to see you again in Nuremberg at our next event. So a big thank you to all our participants and our guests. Thank you very much.